I'm going to be showing you how to find sold eBay listings. So to find sold listings on eBay, you can use the sold items filter. So the first thing you need to do is open your app or your browser if you're using one. I'm going to be using the app. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. And once you've done so, you'll see something like this. So after you're here, all you need to do is look at the bottom where you can see My eBay, Search, Notifications, and Selling. Just go ahead and tap on Search. And once you've done so, just search for the item you're looking or for a specific product. So let's say you want PS5. Just tap on Enter and you have all these options. So at the top you have this filter option right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and once you've done so, all you need to do is scroll down and tap on Show More, and scroll down again till you find this option right here that says Sold Items. Make sure you toggle this button on and tap on this blue button right there. So now you have all the sold items. So that's how you find sold eBay listings on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.